Good morning, this is Connor from 0DTE Traders here to present our market minute for July 1st, 2024. It is 11:30 and the SPX is trading flat to 54.62. Qs are also more or less flat, up 0.1%, with IWM underperforming, down 1% amidst a rising dollar and rising rates. VIX, a measure market volatility, also ticking higher here, up 3.5%. This is something we're paying attention to, particularly if you're a bull. You want to see that vol contraction today. In terms of market internals, ADD is plus 1,300, which we would classify as a bearish trend. However, this is bearish because the Russell 2000 is down 1%. But if we take into account mega caps growth, which are essentially flat here, it's not as bearish as it may seem. So it's important to be utilizing advanced decline line in tandem with relative sector performance, which measures sector performance on a market cap weighted basis. So if we take everything on a net basis, it is much more neutral than imbalanced out here today. Now, a key level is our flip, 54.65, above bullish, below bearish. So what we're looking for here essentially is for a reclaim, a flip, a break of short-term structure here, which connects the all-time high from Friday. And if bulls can reclaim the flip, it does open the door, well, to 5,500, which is also the implied high today, 54.98. Now, there may be some micro resistance levels in here. A recall, last week we had that 54.75, 54.80 acting as a pivot. So the market may find some resistance in that zone if we do happen to break out. Now, if we do get a rejection here of the flip and see downside continuation, support shows at 54.50, which is more or less low of day here, followed by ES 5500, which is SPX 54.40 equivalent. And then if that breaks, it really opens the door down to major support, which is 54.25. You got implied low today at 54.22 and 54.20, which is SPY 540, and that is the put wall. So quite a sizable level. That's really going to require a sharp down move. That's about 0.7% to the downside. It could happen. There's a lot of mixed signals here. A lot of time for the market to shake out and establish a direction. Lastly, here, let's go over to our gamma charts and see where we sit. Starting from the top, the gamma index is positive 50 million, although you can see it is much more neutral than imbalanced as we trade around the flip of 54.65. This is the transition, all strikes below negative, that is destabilizing for the market price. All strikes above positive, which is supportive for the market price. Between 54.65, 5,500, it's a little bit mixed, and we could continue to see mean reversion, choppy type action as we did last week. 5,500 is significant resistance. If the bulls can get a close up in this region, they will start to establish strong control, and the gamma index will move materially positive. Now, as far as the call wall goes, that did shift higher to 5,600. So essentially, we're starting to see out of the money call positioning, which is generally regarded as bullish. As far as implied volatility, we have a 0.7% implied move today through Friday. And there's really not a whole lot on radar this week. It is a shortened week. So what do we have here? Wednesday is a half day, and then Thursday is closed for Independence Day. But as far as economic data goes, it's about jobs this week. So we have JOLTS job openings tomorrow and then non-farms on Friday. So two that are potential market movers. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you're not a member and you're interested in learning more, you can visit our website at 0DTEtraders.com. Best of luck out there today.